After I learned this, I never bought laundry detergent again. Now I just make it at home and save a lot. And folks, that's right. This is another great hack to save money. I'll teach you how to make a very economical laundry detergent. You'll spend less than $5 and it lasts a long time. And for this, we're going to need 2 bars of this blue soap. Then using a grater, let's grate the 2 bars. I never thought I could make this at home. And I started saving a lot of money after I learned this tip. So I couldn't help but show it to you guys. After grating the 2 soap bars, we're also going to need a white coconut soap bar. Go ahead and grate it too. Now to finish, use a perfume soap bar. Here you can use your favorite one, choosing the aroma. Because this is what is going to give our laundry detergent its fragrance. Once done, just mix everything well with your hands. Just like I'm doing here. Next, let's take and divide the soap. Put it in large containers because it needs to be well spread out. Let's do this so we can leave it in the sun for at least 2 hours. That's why it's important to make this on a sunny day, so it works perfectly. After the time has passed, look how it turns out. Nice and dry, loose and crumbly, exactly how we need it. It must be this way, otherwise it won't work. Next, just take the dry soap and grind it in a blender little by little. Keep doing this until it turns into laundry powder detergent. It's pretty simple, easy, and especially cheap to make. Because I spent less than $5 on these bars, and you'll see how much it yields. Also, it has superior quality. It's super fragrant and cleans very well, just like the ones sold in supermarkets. And all this without having to pay a lot. That's why it's definitely worth making at home and enjoying these great benefits. Especially if you wash a lot of clothes and know how expensive good quality detergent is. See how much it makes. This is surely a great homemade solution that will help many people. So, if you liked it and found it useful, share with your friends. I bet there's someone who needs to know this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.